right, we'll begin with some breaking news that's coming in. The Delhi government has moved the top court. In fact, it is seeking to amend its plea challenging the Delhi Services Ordinance. The plea now challenges the Services Act, not ordinance. The top court seeks centre's response in 4 weeks. So big breaking update there. The Delhi government has moved the top court and has sought to amend its plea challenging the Delhi Services Ordinance. The plea now challenges the Services Act, not ordinance. Let's go across to Harish, who is joining us on the phone line for more details on this. Harish, what more details can you bring for our viewers? And I would also request you to bring us a little bit of more context on this.
Yes, in fact, remember after the Supreme Court had handed over the power and authority over services, so that is the transfer and posting of bureaucrats to the Delhi government. The centre had brought in an ordinance wresting back the control, but the ordinance had been passed by both houses of Parliament. After that, the ordinance became an act which was given assent to by the President on August 12. So after that, Aam Aadmi Party already the petition was under challenge in the Supreme Court, wanted to amend the petition, saying that earlier it was an ordinance, now it is an act. So on the fresh petition, the Supreme Court has sought the centre's response within 4 weeks. So the biggest takeaway is that Supreme Court has agreed to examine the validity of the Delhi Services Act, which was earlier an ordinance, and later after President has signed, it became a law now. So now the Supreme Court will be examining the validity of the law. Centre's response has been sought within 4 weeks. Back to you.
Right, Harisha, thanks very much for sharing all those details with us. Let's now also go across to my colleague Pulkit, who is joining us on the broadcast. Pulkit, if you could also share some more details. We do, of course, know that the Delhi government has moved the top court and sought an amendment to its plea challenging the Delhi Services Ordinance. All right, we seem to have lost that line with my colleague Pulkit. We'll try and reconnect with him in just a short while from now. But that is the big breaking update there. The Delhi High Court has in fact the Delhi government has moved the top courts and has sought to amend its plea challenging the Delhi Services Ordinance. The plea now challenges the Services Act, not ordinance. Top court has sought the centre's response in 4 weeks. Big breaking update there. The Delhi government has moved the top court. The Delhi government's plea to amend its petition. The petition challenges the Services Act. And the SC has sought the centre's response in 4 weeks.